Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest Elliott Wave analysis for XRP and breaking down the next potential price targets. Let's get started. Right now, XRP is holding within a key support zone between $1.21 and $1.28. Despite minor fluctuations, the overall trend remains within a sideways range. Price action has been relatively stable, with a small 0.06% movement to the upside. Looking at the larger time frame, we see that XRP is completing a five-wave structure. The previous waves show a well-defined pattern, and we might be approaching the final leg of Wave 5. The proportions between Wave 2 and Wave 4 align, even though Wave 4 appears to be longer. One possible alternative scenario is that Wave 4 already bottomed, forming an ending diagonal pattern. If that's the case, we could see another high before this structure completes. This remains a valid interpretation, and we'll continue tracking it closely. If XRP pushes higher, the next resistance zones to watch are $4.20, $5, and $5.65. These levels serve as crucial targets if the price moves higher in Wave 5. Holding above $1.20 is key to maintaining the bullish outlook. Zooming into the smaller time frame, we see a potential sideways triangle forming. This could be a corrective Wave 4 before an upward breakout. In one scenario, Wave 4 bottomed on February 3rd, while in another, it is still forming. Both possibilities suggest we remain in a consolidation phase before the next move. If this triangle pattern holds, price must stay above the March 10th low of $1.90 to remain valid. In the short term, we might be forming a D-wave within the triangle, targeting a price range between $2.65 and $2.90 before a potential breakout. If XRP drops below $1.90, we may see Wave 4 extending lower, potentially testing the $1.20 support level again. While this would mean a longer consolidation phase, it could set up a strong risk-to-reward opportunity for traders. To summarize, we are tracking multiple Elliott Wave scenarios with a focus on the next potential breakout levels. As long as XRP holds above $1.90 and ideally $1.20, the outlook remains bullish with targets up to $5.65 in sight. If you found this analysis helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.